For the month of June, I need to declare an interest because there is one thing I love almost more than life itself, and it's the taste of freshly picked British strawberries. And I think there is no month in the year better than June because they are at their absolute best. The sweetest, juiciest and most incredible flavour is generally taken from strawberries picked in the month of June. I don't know why that is, it just seems to always be the case. Maybe it's because it's the first crop and the first always tastes best, I don't know, but I absolutely love them. But this is the time when you need to be picking your strawberries. Get a net over them to protect them from the birds and anything else that might nibble them, and really, really do make the most of them. Pick them fresh, pick them every day, and of course varieties like Cambridge Favourite that will crop through the month of June will just give you an amazing volume and flavoursome crop of those gorgeous, gorgeous fruits. Other things to be thinking about, maybe on your patio, your hanging baskets, your patio pots. Think about feeding them. Get some high potash general fertiliser in there. This is a fantastic soluble food. It's our blooming fast food. It will give you massive amounts of flowers and fruit. So anything that flowers or anything that fruits or anything that's just not looking quite the ticket, use this. It's 1 teaspoon per 5 litre watering can. Water it on and you will see a difference within between about 7 to 10 days. You'll start to see a difference. Within 2 to 3 weeks, your plants will be transformed. So use that round about once every week on any plants that are flowering or fruiting actively at this time of year, and it will increase your yield of flowers and your display of flowers, but give you bigger, more bountiful crops too. Also think about getting your garden ready for the summer celebrations. So think about trimming them. Make sure that the edges of the lawn are trimmed beautifully. Make sure you've got that lovely, gorgeous sward that should by now be looking lush and green. And if it isn't, it's not too late to feed it. You can feed your lawn around every 4 to 6 weeks from March onwards. So this could be your third feed, might be your first, it doesn't matter, but they're very, very fast acting. So lawn food applied at this time of year will give you phenomenal results very, very quickly. And of course, thicken that lawn up for the time of year when you will be using it with family occasions. Maybe you've got friends over, get it looking its best, but trim those edges because it just gives that garden the perfect trimmed, beautiful look. If you haven't mulched, do use decorative mulch, which has a multiple purpose. It makes everywhere look fantastic, but it keeps the moisture in, really important at this time of year, but it also keeps those weeds down. So it's a great addition. But anything at all, anything whatsoever, you've got growing in pots, you've got growing in tubs, keep watering it. This is the time of year when it's actively growing, when the temperatures are rising. That's when you really need to stay on top of the water. But best of all, during the month of June, we're approaching the longest day. This is the time when you should be in your garden, making the most of it, enjoying it at its absolute best. So get out there, get that sunshine on you, and really do enjoy your garden this year.